Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I wanted to do a haul of the things that I've been picking up lately for the house. Home decor, budget finds. I have so many, like get the look for less, like for Anthropologie. So I'm super excited to share everything with y'all today. I also have like some holiday decor because I cannot be stopped. Like this year I am fully unhinged and I am so ready to decorate the house. So I cannot wait to share everything with y'all. You can always find all my home items under home links in the description box below, and you should also follow me on Instagram. I've been having a lot of fun posting transformations and clean with me's and all that good stuff over there. So if you like my house or like home content, I feel like you would really like my Instagram too. So anyway, I think that's everything I have to say. Stay tuned for all the giveaways and all the Amazon Prime sale situation coming very soon. If you're watching this the day I'm posting, it should come tomorrow. So stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss out, and let's get into it. Studio McGee hasn't released their new collection with Target yet, but they've been releasing a few different things. I think they did a few art pieces, and then they also did a few rugs. And when I saw this, I don't know why I loved it so much. I think this is Dutch maybe. I loved it. I love that it's neutral, it's interesting, it's stunning, and it's like a large, very large frame canvas, way less than you would get at the regular Studio McGee line. And then this is definitely my score of the year. I found the Anthropologie Gleaming Primrose mirror dupes at Hobby Lobby, and they all come with these little words. The words are not bad or anything, they're just not really my style. So if you take 100% acetone or nail polish remover with a cloth, you can wipe it off. This one had words, and that's what it looks like now. So I got all of them 50% off, 34, so I got it for like 17. Then this one is a little bit larger. This one was 70, so I paid 35 for this one, and I'll show you guys the rest in a bit. But they are so good, very similar vibe, and these are going to be perfect in Olivia's room. Another Hobby Lobby find is this vase, I guess. It looks like pottery. It's so nice and heavy. I love the wash, kind of looks vintage, and it was so inexpensive. It was 20 bucks. So usually with Hobby Lobby I wait until things that I want are 50% off to get them. So this is tabletop and this is wall decor. Just letting y'all know, check the website before going. And then from Home Goods, TJ Maxx online, that's where this is from. I got the most stunning lamps of all time, y'all. This is huge. It's so nice and tall, so oversized. Once again, kind of looks like pottery, has this nice textured, and this was 50 bucks. So I got two of those for the guest bedroom, and then I have to show you guys the lamps that I got for our bedroom. They're from TJ Maxx online, and the reason why I'm obsessed, first of all, it's alabaster, so it's absolutely stunning, heavy, beautiful, but it has a nightlight feature, and then a regular lamp, and then both. So if you need like a little reading lamp, you can just use this one. If you want more light, you can use both. I'm completely obsessed. They're such a steal because alabaster is so dang expensive, and I just love these so dang much. So I had to talk about them. I posted them on my Instagram story, and I don't think something has sold so much from a single story. So highly recommend if you're in the market, because I've been looking for new lamps for a hot minute, and these are stunning. I know it's too early to be this excited about Christmas stuff. These are already pre-ordered and selling out, so I wanted to share now before it's too late, because these sold out by November of last year. I got all of them except for the pink one, and then I picked up the pink one this year when they restocked. I love them. They light up, and I will definitely show you guys once I have it all set up. And then from that same brand, I got these three. It's so cute. Are you kidding me? With like all the friends with the little tree on top, and I just love it. I think it's so cute. And then I got their Ferris wheel. I do wish it was like electric or it had some sort of light, but it's so pretty. It's like very shiny and so festive. Y'all, this is such a cute advent calendar, and obviously it goes with everything else, which is why I got it. However, it is pretty pricey, and I was expecting it to have marzipan inside like it did in the pictures, but it doesn't. It comes completely empty. It is just so gorgeous, and everything is just crafted so perfectly. Tell me this dog doesn't look just like Penny, because it's meant to be, y'all. I just noticed it too. Something about Anthropologie's holiday decor does it for me, so I had to do it. So if you want any of this, I highly recommend getting it now before it's too late. These are the pots and pans of my dreams, so I want to unbox them and like put them up with y'all, because I am just so shook at the beauty of these caraway pans and pots. I'm not okay. Here they are. Oh my god, let me unbox the lids, and look how the lids come, and they also come with, like I said, the storage solution. So don't forget to your hooks to hang up your lids. Oh, stunning. Oh my god, you guys, to make it even more stunning, these are magnetic. I'm shook. Also, my cabinet is not dirty. It is the terrible job my contractor did at painting it. So until we repaint them, this is what they look like. Y'all, I don't know if it's because I'm 27, but this is just so exciting. So exciting. I am freaking out. I love it. It looks so much better. Y'all, how stunning. And these just adhere onto your cabinets, and you can just put them on the door or inside over there. I'm obsessed. Also, you guys, H&M came out with the coolest bathroom collection. They have a few different ones, but I don't know why, because this is not technically super my style, but this one really got to me. It is this very rustic stoneware material, and I love how it looks so different. It's like nothing I've ever seen, and it was really cool. It kind of reminds me of like a European hotel. I don't know why. So I got the whole thing. I got the toothbrush holder cup, the soap holder, and then the soap dispenser. I wanted to share before it sells out, because I'm going to be doing like bathroom reveals, because we're trying to do makeovers in them, but I know this will sell out pretty quick, so I wanted to share now before it's too late. And then it wouldn't be a haul of mine without something from H&M Home. I got the cutest little vase set. I paid $14 for this. I love the fact that you can put them together, you can, you know, separate them, and they're so cute and slim. I promised myself I was never gonna get more vases from H&M, because I have all of them, but I couldn't resist this cutie set, and at that price point, insane. I got a few bar cart accessories. I don't really know if I should keep this one or the other one, but this is just a wine bottle holder. I do like it. I just don't like how it's stacked. It just takes a lot of space in the bar cart. I will show you guys what that one looks like, but it is nice and it's on sale. And then this was on sale, and I love it. I love the colors. I love the fact that it says that's the spirit. And I actually picked up the matching napkins, which is so exciting. It's a little bit more summery, I guess, but our bar cart is more colorful and fun, so I thought this was perfect. I got 2 coffee table books. I wanted them to be big, neutral, and actually something I would want to read, or my guests would read and find interesting. I actually got these from Home Goods, super discounted, because they are so big. This one is the New York Magazine, like just 50-year recap, and it's a black cover. And then we have the AD. I already have this. This is one of my favorite interior design books, so I'm so happy I found another one at such a good price. I've been really into these pottery looking vases, and this one was from TJ Maxx. It's made in Portugal. It looks so nice. It feels so heavy. I love that it adds a little bit of texture while still being neutral. And then right now I just have these fall dried florals that I got from Crate and Barrel. They came in this set, and I just think it looks so nice. Currently working on the entryway, so I can't really show you much. You can see the hot mess behind me, but I think this is really cute. I sort of got TJ Maxx online has the best home finds. And then this pot in the back I've had for a while now. I decided to get a matching, like from the same collection, black one, and the black one is actually matte. I don't know if you can see, so it's a little bit harder to clean. It shows way more dirt. So if you like this look of these kind of like bubble planters, I highly recommend going for any other color except the black one, because as you can see, it doesn't look great. So guys, that's everything for today's video. I like doing these kind of collective hauls every once in a while, but I always share these in my vlogs. So if you like these, definitely check out my vlogs if you haven't already. I love sharing like day-to-day things, hauls, all that good stuff on there. And then like I said at the start, definitely follow me on Instagram. I've been having a lot of fun posting over there, and I do little short form videos. So if you like my channel, you probably really like those too. Anyway, stay tuned for videos all this week. I am going to post every single day, hopefully, knock on wood. But yeah, I'll see you guys very soon tomorrow for a new video. I love you guys. I hope you're having a good weekend. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.